We are now going to discuss the booster installation process for restaurants. Okay, very simple process. There are totally only 2 or 3 components for this, and we are going to see what those components are in a brief while. Okay, first and foremost, the first component that you will have is the outdoor antenna. This outdoor antenna has to be placed. मेरे को record करना. This outdoor antenna has to be placed outside the store where there is good network. For this to function, the network of all the network providers, that is Airtel, Jio, as well as your Vodafone or any other provider that is there in your locality, should be strong enough. Only then this unit will catch the network of those service providers and boost it inside the store. So this is the outdoor unit which has to be placed or installed outside the store. Then there is a cable. There is a cable which has to be connected to the outdoor unit. Very simple installation. And now this unit is installed outside the store. The same cable runs through our indoor cabling and comes inside the store. Once it comes inside the store, this is your second unit, which is a booster. This has to be installed inside the store, wherever the network is weak. This is installed inside the store, and the second part of the long cable, which brings the network inside the store, has to be connected to this booster in a similar fashion. So you connect this here, and this is installed inside the store higher up, somewhere at a location which is high where nobody can touch it. This booster needs to have power. So there is a power adapter along with it. This power adapter has to be connected to the nearest power station. The cable is not very long, so you have to install the booster near the power source, and it has to be connected to a power source. And you have to on it for it to start functioning and pulling the network inside the store. I'm currently placing it off. Now there's another small cable which is available to be connected to the booster. And you switch it on. Once this wire is connected to the booster, it has to be then connected to the indoor antenna. It has to be connected to the indoor antenna in a similar fashion. This has to be placed at the location at a central location from where it can boost the network. So the booster pulls the network inside the boost from the antenna outside, and this is the antenna which will broadcast the network inside your store. Once you put on the power and your unit starts, you have to check the store if the network inside the store has improved. This is the simple process of installation of this booster antenna.